Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. So to start off this kind of dramatic deep plum look, let's go ahead and apply a very good eyeshadow base. Today I'm using Huda Beauty Concealer Full Filter. I really love this one because it's a long wear concealer, and for this look I'm gonna use the She's in Parties palette from Melt Cosmetics. This palette is a must for me. I really love the colors, and here if you prefer neutrals, you can use, for example, browns and nude eyeshadows, but today I decided to go for the plum. So to set the concealer, I'm gonna apply in the eyelid the shade called Less Cares, and I'm gonna use a fluffy brush to apply the color. So I'm gonna set all the eyeshadow base and diffusing the crease, applying the product a little at a time to avoid the fallouts. With this palette, I basically don't have any fallout because the quality of the eyeshadows are so good, but I really like to be careful when I'm applying the eyeshadows in the eyelids, especially here that I'm using a fluffy brush to apply. Next, I'm gonna apply the dark plum shade, and this is called Mint Trick. So I'm gonna apply using the same fluffy brush and the little cards that I cut the form to do my cut crease easily. This is something that comes in between the palettes, and I really love how pretty it is and how easy to create the makeup look. Just a little adjust and I don't have to spend a lot of time doing my makeup to get basically the same effect. And if needed, I can clean up the edge a little bit. So here I'm gonna change the brush, and with a little bit of micellar water, I'm gonna just clean up the little tail that I thought is too big for the eye shape. So I decided to clean like this carefully, just to create a very good finish in the end result of the cut crease. So now I'm gonna take this same card again, and I'm gonna do basically the same thing for the sharp edge in the outer corner. So I'm gonna take the same brush and the same eyeshadow. So I'm gonna apply the dark eyeshadow in the outer corners and diffuse to the middle of the eyelid, creating the smoked eyeliner effect. From this, you can see how easy it is to create this makeup look, and when you look it all together, you just see, wow, this makeup look is so complicated to do. It's so hard, but you can see from this tutorial that is not. Just a little bit of patience and practice, okay? You can do it. Next, I'm gonna change the brush for another fluffy brush, and it was clean, but I'm gonna apply the color Less Cares again, just in the crease to create a better transition shade. I could just leave it like this, but I decided to apply because later on I'm gonna apply some glitter, so I need a little more dimension for the makeup look. I'm gonna change the brush again and apply the same color in the lower lash line, and then the darkest color in the roots of the lashes to create the cat eye effect in the inner corners, and also apply a little bit in the lower lash line. Now the start of the show, I'm gonna apply this kind of mauve glitter. This I mix myself to do a wedding makeup look. So I take some gel and pigment and glitter to mix and create this effect. As you guys can see, it's amazing. And now with a concealer brush, I'm gonna just take it and apply a little at a time, creating a kind of cut crease shape. I like to apply a little bit and let it dry before I do a second or third layer of products, because I will get a better finish and of course control the amount of product. To conclude the look, I just apply some falsies and mascara, and this is how I finish the makeup look. I really hope that you love it much as I do. I really like these colors, but you can change for browns if you like. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video if you did, and comment down below what you think about this makeup look. And I see you in the next one. Bye! Mwah.